So you want tutorial to make a balloon? Well, I just keep it. You know, first is whoa! What the air to get trapped? You just gotta keep spinning it like that until it gets like tight. So you don't wanna make me like spinning the balloons. I just spin the balloon. So you get this. Just keep spinning it until you realize it's kind of tight. I guess next video I'll teach you how to make a paper airplane if you don't know. So bye.